In this video, we'll guide you through the fun process of creating your own WhatsApp stickers straight from your iPhone. Let's get started. Before delving into the art of crafting your own WhatsApp stickers, ensure your WhatsApp is up to date. Now open WhatsApp, pick the chat where you want to send the stickers, and tap on the sticker icon on the right side of the chat box. You'll see a plus icon in blue color at the left-hand side. Tap on it. Choose the photo you want to turn into a sticker and let it work its magic. Once it's ready, hit the send icon at the bottom right corner. To add that sticker to your favorites, tap on it and select Add to Favorites. Repeat these steps to craft a collection of personalized stickers. Here's hoping this method proves handy for you in creating WhatsApp stickers. And of course, don't miss out. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos for some extra tech goodness.